Are you over 50 and feeling more tired than usual? Is your hair thinning out, your joints aching, or your memory not as sharp? You might think it's just aging, but what if there's something else, something silent, that's causing all this damage inside your body? Today, we'll reveal a powerful yet often overlooked vitamin deficiency that's affecting millions of people over 50, and how you can fix it naturally and feel better in just weeks. Stick around, because the symptoms you're ignoring could be a red flag. As we age, our bodies naturally slow down. But what many people don't realize is that our ability to absorb certain nutrients also declines, especially one crucial vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is responsible for more than 100 essential functions in your body, including energy, brain function, nerve health, hair growth, and even red blood cell production. Yet after age 50, studies show that over 60% of people are either deficient or borderline low in B12, and most of them don't even know it until they start facing serious health issues. Why? Because B12 deficiency doesn't hit you overnight. It creeps in slowly, showing up as constant tiredness, poor memory, weak muscles, mood swings, and even balance issues. Still brushing it off as normal aging? Let's dig deeper. Let me tell you about John, a 62-year-old retired teacher from Chicago. John loved hiking, gardening, and reading, but over the past year he started waking up tired. He couldn't remember names. His hands would tingle, his knees hurt, doctors ran tests, nothing serious showed up. Probably age, they said. But John wasn't convinced. He did his own research and came across something shocking. Vitamin B12 deficiency mimics aging. In fact, many aging problems are simply untreated deficiencies, especially in people over 50. After starting B12 supplements, John felt noticeable improvement within 2 weeks. His energy returned, the tingling faded, his memory got sharper. John's story isn't rare, it's happening to millions. Hair loss. B12 supports healthy hair follicles. When levels drop, hair becomes weak and thin. Fatigue. Red blood cells need B12 to carry oxygen. Low B12 means low energy. Brain fog. Struggling to focus or remember things? This might be why. Joint pain and numbness. B12 deficiency affects nerves, causing tingling, numbness, and joint pain. Mood changes. Low B12 can lower serotonin production, leading to anxiety or depression. Poor sleep. B12 regulates melatonin, the sleep hormone. Balance issues. Some people even develop unsteady walking due to long-term deficiency. Do you relate to any of these? Here's the real kicker. Even if you eat meat, eggs, and dairy, you can still be deficient. Why? Because after age 50, your stomach produces less hydrochloric acid, and acid is needed to extract B12 from food. That means your body isn't absorbing what you eat. To make things worse, common medications like antacids, metformin for diabetes, and blood pressure pills also block B12 absorption. This puts millions at even higher risk without them realizing it. The good news, you can fix this naturally, starting today. Here are the best B12-rich foods to add to your diet. Wild-caught salmon high in absorbable B12 and omega-3s. Sardines, tiny, affordable, and nutrient-packed. Eggs, eat whole eggs. Most B12 is in the yolk. Beef liver, one of the highest B12 sources if you eat organ meats. Nutritional yeast, a great plant-based option, especially if fortified. Fortified cereals and plant milks. Look for B12 on the label. But remember, if your absorption is weak, food alone might not be enough. That's where supplements help. For most people over 50, doctors recommend supplementing B12. And here's how to do it right. Methylcobalamin B12. This is the most active and bioavailable form, sublingual drops or lozenges. These go under the tongue and absorb directly into the bloodstream. B12 injections. If you're severely deficient, ask your doctor about injections. Many feel better within days. B-complex supplements. Combine B12 with other B vitamins to support energy and mood. Always talk to your healthcare provider before starting any supplement, especially if you have a medical condition. Here's what you can do. Eat smaller, frequent meals. Your stomach handles smaller portions better after 50. Add probiotics. A healthy gut helps with nutrient absorption. Avoid antacids unless necessary. These reduce stomach acid and hurt B12 absorption. Drink water away from meals, not during. It dilutes stomach acids. These small changes can help your body absorb more from less. If you're over 50 and dealing with fatigue, joint pain, memory loss, or mood swings, don't just accept it as normal aging. Get your B12 levels checked. It's a simple blood test. You might discover that one small fix can make a life-changing difference. Share this video with a loved one, especially if they're over 50. Like, subscribe and turn on notifications. We post weekly science-backed health tips just for you. And comment below. Have you ever tried B12 supplements? What was your experience? Because aging doesn't have to mean suffering. With the right knowledge, you can age stronger, not slower.